What's up everyone? I am back with another unboxing. By the way, I changed my channel name from T4Tech to Unboxing You. Unboxing You means we just not only unbox device but also unbox your inner happiness, excitement. That's why it's Unboxing You. So let's start unbox Realme 3. Here's the box in my hand, let's open it. Now we got some document, and a silicon back cover. Then we got the actual phone, this is blue edition. Let's see what is inside. We got micro USB cable. And a power adapter. So this is the box content. Let's talk about the phone. Realme 3 is all set to launch in India today. The Realme 3 comes with 12nm MediaTek Helio P70 SoC on the Realme 3. Also, the microsite shows that the new model will come with a water drop style display notch. The Realme 3 is also confirmed to have a 4230 mAh battery, larger than the 4000 mAh battery. The handset is also have a fingerprint sensor at the back and come with a diamond cut case. Moving on to the cameras, we have a dual 13+2MP camera to the rear and the selfie shooter is again another 13MP snapper. We play the PUBG Mobile in this device. Honestly, first we don't face legs. But if you playing more than 1 hour then you will face some little legs. But it's not a big problem I think. In this budget other phone can't make this. So I think it's okay. The Realme 3 is running on ColorOS 6 that is based on Android 9 Pie. And you can buy this beauty in just 8,999 rupees, 3GB plus 32GB variant. So that's enough for today. See you soon. Do you wanna buy this phone? Comment below your excitement. And don't forget to subscribe.